This was by far the most frustrating batch of cake pops that I've made in a really long time. Cake pops for me are usually very simple because I stick to simple designs, and I know exactly why this fail happened. I decided to use a different quality of white chocolate, and this particular chocolate doesn't solidify as quickly as something like candy melts. So when I was putting it in the fridge, I accidentally bumped myself, and those ended up everywhere. After having that face for about 10 minutes, I decided that I better try to fix these and salvage this tutorial. Now you're probably wondering, Ashleigh, if you had a stand like that in the first place, why didn't you just use it to avoid bumping them and risking them falling all over each other? I don't know why I do the things that I do sometimes, but I definitely wasn't going to make that mistake twice. So after adding everything on, and I just had to hit that with a little bit of gold flake as well as some edible glitter, I ended up with fairly presentable looking cake pops. I did want to do something a little bit more with these in the first place, but